Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the Windows 10 background desktop image. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just click on the Start button one time. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it should say settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the ease of access tile. Just left click on that one time. And now select display on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath simplify and personalize windows and go all the way down to the bottom where it says show desktop background image. So just by toggling this to off position, you see the background image will not be displayed any longer. So it's just different than actually going and downloading a black image or something and then just setting that as the desktop background. So instead of just doing that, you can actually just turn off the background image entirely. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.